Hello viewers, welcome to you in my YouTube channel TT Booktuber। सारे उत्तराखंड भाइयों को नमस्कार, सब दगड़ियों को नमस्कार और सारे भाइयों को नमस्कार। और आज फिर सैटरडे का सुहाना मौसम बाहर एंड हमारा कुछ प्लान है। तो ओम तिवारी मेरे साथ जा रहे हैं। लास्ट टाइम हमने एक वीडियो बनाया था, इसको हमने बेचारे को बिटरगट की सब्जी खिलाई थी और इसने बड़े बड़े चाव से उसको खाया था। और अभी कुछ ऐसा इसको प्रॉमिस किया गया था कि वी विल गेट सम गिफ्ट टू हिम।
Yeah, and I said that आप guess कर सकते हो।
Yes, and he asked that you need to guess.
Yeah.
But that was whatever it is. But today he changed his mind.
Yeah, because I thought the phone is too. You said that I can't buy the phone. That's why now you say that buy the thing.
Yes.
I almost said the word, so I'm trying not to say the word in this.
Okay. So इसको गिफ्ट दिलाना है, तो इसके लिए गिफ्ट लेने भी जा रहे हैं। और
It starts with a V and stops with CH. Can you guess it?
ओके, सो ये बोल रहा है कि स्टार्ट W से होता है,
I mean V.
V से होता है, V से नहीं W से होता है।
W.
ओके, W से होता है और एंड जो है
CH.
हाँ CH से एंड होता है, तो वो इसको गिफ्ट में दिलाना है। तो तो जो है तो इसको गिफ्ट दिलाने जाएंगे, इसी पर ब्लॉग होगा हमारा। और साथ में रिधिमा तिवारी हमारी जो है ये भी तैयार बैठी हैं। ये भी कह रही हैं कि इनको क्या बोलते हैं, नए जूते खरीदने। तो अभी देखते हैं इनके जूते कहाँ मिलते हैं, क्या मिलते हैं एंड इसी को आज का ब्लॉग में कवर करूँगा मैं। वेदर जो है बहुत बढ़िया है और देखते हैं आज ये बच्चों के साथ थोड़ा सा एंजॉय करना पड़ता है वीकेंड पे। हाँ ओम तिवारी, आप कुछ बोल रहे हो?
इतना अच्छा नहीं है ये सन, तो रोज आती है इतनी सन। हाँ, अब तो आज थोड़ी
But today is it's a cloudy, not the sun.
Cloudy. Looks like it's going to rain because yesterday we went to buy pizza and it was super rainy. It made me wet and my hair is like.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you see
Did
that?
we?
Yeah.
Yes.
Did we buy 2 pizza? We said 1
हाँ.
and then I said why 2 pizza? And then you said then you were angry, right?
I become angry because it was unnecessary. We buy 2
Yes.
because the plan was 1 and that was by mistake, I think. Anyway, and okay guys, then we will go and let's see.
I think they said when Didi said cheesy bread, looks like they thought it's bread on it, but they put a lot of cheese on it. What if that means cheesy bread?
Yes.
That's
Okay.
even lot of cheese.
तो रिधिमा तिवारी आज जो है शू के लिए मेरे पीछे लगी हुई है। तो रिधिमा, व्हाट डू यू वांट?
New shoes.
न्यू शूज चाहिए। और डू यू हैव एनी प्लान कहाँ से खरीदना है? यूरोस्कोप। ओके। और ओम तिवारी भी जाएगा?
मैं तो आपको नहीं बता रहा क्या कर रहा हूँ।
क्यों?
मैं नहीं बता रहा कि क्या है वो, क्योंकि मैं बोला कि गेस करना VCH।
ठीक है, चलो फिर लेट्स मूव।
Papa, why at this bus station no bus comes?
It does, but no one is here.
यस।
But I did saw somebody. What is
पूछ सकते हैं अभी वो ना, पूछ रहे तुम्हारे मेडिसिन वाला नंबर दे।
तो दोस्तों हम आ गए हैं शू खरीदने के लिए और रिधिमा तिवारी यहाँ पहुँच गई है शू खरीदने के लिए। रिधिमा, कुछ समझ में आया? क्यों?
आपके पास नाइफ की नहीं है?
मैं नाइक के चाहिए तेरे को, क्यों?
Guys, this logo here, I've seen it in one in Levi and one in our sports studio.
योर फ्रेंड?
Like in my friend that is in the school, school friend, and also the teacher of our sports teacher.
Okay.
And the shoe, but the logo.
But today we are focusing on Ridhima soup. Ridhima, what you have planned then?
We have planned. We have.
Are you getting what you need here? No? Yes, Shobha ji?
Okay.
What happened?
Nine.
Nothing? So let's move then.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ridhima, let's move. Don't waste time now here.
चलो
Nice one, कहाँ पे है?
Yes, now what is the plan? What is the plan?
So the plan is that we are going to go to another shop, or we're going to H&M to buy that WCH thing. I know what is it, but I can't say it, so I have to say the thing.
Okay, still surprise.
It's a surprise. You
And-
can guess it at end of the video, guys. We have lots of time to guess this because right now we are in the metro. Yeah, we are in the wrong way. So guys, I want to say is that not again. Why is this every time happening? I changed my mind again because it's not actually the one that I said VC. It was actually a watch. Now I changed my mind. I don't want to watch. You know guys why? It's big. I mean a WCH is watch, right? So you know why I'm not buying a watch? Because I can't find it. So maybe I can find it later in my another birthday. But I saw it in school and it's super cool and I really want it. But now I don't have it. But I saw something cooler than that. But I can't. Yeah, I saw something cooler than that. So this J is started with a M and a R. because it's not nothing electronic, but Mara. Can you guess it? Now I know if you don't guess it's okay. It's just a video game. So can you guess it, guys? Mara. Mari. Okay. So let's go and dress up, buy it, and yeah, let's buy it. Like we're at. So let's go to the store and buy it. And I know which store is it, Papa. It's upstairs, and we go to the left, and then we see the big Sonic, and then inside that store. Guys, that is some black flower. Oh, that's a poison. That's poison, Papa. That's poison, Papa. That's poison.
Yes. Mr. Om, where?
Papa, you see the sign there? It's up there.
Okay, come.
Go.
What is that gift?
It's to play games in laptop, something like that.
How much?
I don't know. I actually know I did it. I asked it before. It's fun.
Wait, we have to hold here.
Line.
Yes, Om Tiwari.
Yeah, it's Pokemon. And this is Pokemon cards. You can do which one is the strongest Pokemon, these ones, and then the other ones are the toys ones. So you use them to connect and into something.
So are you sure this is your final gift
Yes.
for that bitter gourd vegetable against?
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Final? Okay. And Ridhima Tiwari, what is this noodle about?
These are Asian noodles.
Asian noodle. Okay. You want to purchase this? Okay. Go to the billing box. Yes, Mr. Om.
Yeah.
What you got this? What is this? You tell something about this.
So this is
Pokemon cards. What is this? What is the
These are
project?
cards, and you see this big one here. This one is to use it, and this the small one is to use it in your laptop. Because
Laptop. This is.
yeah, these are the toys. These are cards, Papa. But some cards, but it's only one card that can connect, and it's a ticket in. It has a ticket in one, and you can use the ticket to connect. Yeah.
When you will unboxing this?
Then I have to connect it to my iPad or the laptop. Anything you can connect. This.
Okay. When you will unbox this?
At my home, of course, yes. At my home, because then they will probably fly away. Okay?
So you have to show my viewers when you will unbox this and how you use it and what is this gift is about. तो दोस्तों ओम तिवारी जो है अपना गिफ्ट लेकर आ गए हैं और नाउ ही वांट टू अनपैक दिस। और जो बिटर गट खाया था इन्होंने, बिटर गट की सब्ज़ी खाई थी, उसके लिए हमने इनको प्रॉमिस किया था कि वी विल गिव यू अ गिफ्ट एंड नाउ ही
Yes, guys, there are Pokemon cards. And let's open it now. I may need a scissor too, but I can open with this one with my hand too.
यस प्लीज टेल मी।
So this is little broken here. It's just red. This is the red blue color, but it's all just red here. Come on, this is not even that much. I think. Okay. Now the whole color. What's? Oh, this is better, right? This is all here. So this is little broken. Let's open this.
You have closed it now. Open it.
I don't need to open.
Yes, leave it now. Don't change it.
I'll change it.
ये देखो, ये भैया इसने एलईडी लाइट लगाई है अपने रूम में और ये बच्चा बड़ा खतरनाक है। अभी ये बताएगा, अच्छा पहाड़ी में बताएगा। बस है रहो।
बोले.
और ये लाइट कस लागण है, लाइट कस लागण है।
ये आ रही लाइट. ठीक.
ठीक नहीं, पहाड़ी में बताना है।
बोले.
बॉल एरो नहीं, भल लागण है,
बगलाने.
भल लागण है।
बॉल.
लाइट कस लागण है,
बगलाने.
बॉल लागण है। ओके, चलो आप अनबॉक्स करो एंड व्हाट यू वांट टू शो यू शो मी। So what is that?
Papa, you can play this laptop. Look. See?
Give me.
See this one. Look, you can play in laptop. I told you, Papa.
Okay, you go there.
So, right now, cards. What is
Yes.
Guys, I opened it and these are Pokemon cards. I will open them with my scissors soon. And these are more Pokemon cards. This one is four. This one is so. So guys, yeah, I can't open this. That's why we just stop the video, open it, and then start the video again. And let me show you, there are some cool things. There are trading cards, and you know trading cards are the super famous right now. And I need to take it out. I can't need help with taking it out. I literally not. Papa, are you?
Use it scissor na.
Use the scissors, but I maybe. Yeah, I can open, Papa. See this corner here. Just see, I know it. The other corner and this. So I see the training cards. Training cards you use in laptop. I think.
Come.
Guys, I have finally opened them, and they are called trading cards. And look, guys, they are Pokemons. I know all these Pokemons, and they are very, very, very rare Pokemons. And you have to play with. Okay, you can play with 5 people, but I have to play with my sister because this. You're not interested at this, right? Yeah. And I've seen this Pokemon as the flying Pokemon that is the, I don't know which is it, but it's a super cool Pokemon and I like that. But this ones are the strong Pokemon that you might see in one movie. And Papa, this is 2D. Yeah. This is Pokemon. I don't know some Pokemons. Yeah. The trading cards.
सो दोस्तों नमस्कार। अब जो है ये वीडियो हम ख़त्म करते हैं। आज मैंने और गुन्नू ने ओम को उसके कार्ड दिला दिए हैं और अब जो है ये वीडियो ख़त्म करने का टाइम आ गया है। अब एज पर प्रॉमिस इसने बिटर गट करेले की सब्ज़ी खाई थी। भाई ने हिम्मत करके तो इसको गिफ्ट दिलाना था, तो अपने लिए ये पोकेमॉन कार्ड लेकर आ गया है।
अब मैं लैपटॉप में खेलूंगा।
अभी ये बोलेगा कि मुझे कुछ करना है, लैपटॉप में खेलना है। वी विल सी कि हाउ टू फिक्स इट। और आप सब लोग अपना ध्यान रखें, ख्याल रखें। मेरा चैनल जो अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है उसे सब्सक्राइब करें। और मैं थोड़ा ओम के साथ और मस्ती करूँगा।
और
वीकेंड
पापा
है।
खेलेंगे सर।
हाँ, मैं खेलूँगा। आज वीकेंड है तो मस्ती करेंगे हम। और आप सब लोग भी अपने बच्चों के साथ एंजॉय करो, खेलो।
या क्योंकि
बच्चे भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होते हैं।
बोर हो रहे हैं
घर पे
ब्रेक्स में।
हाँ, और बस एक मैसेज यार इस वीडियो से आप लोगों को देना चाहता हूँ कि आपको अपने फैमिली के साथ, बच्चों के साथ थोड़ा टाइम स्पेंड करना चाहिए। दैट इज़ ऑल्सो आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी। और उससे आपको खुशियाँ मिलती हैं और आपको हैप्पीनेस तो मिलती ही है। उसके अलावा पीस रहता है, स्ट्रेस कम होता है। और बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है फैमिली के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना। ये ब्लॉग से मैं ये मैसेज भी देने का मेरा एक मकसद था। इस तरह के ब्लॉग बनाने का मकसद बिल्कुल यही होता है। तो आप अपना ध्यान रखें, ख्याल रखें। फिर एक दूसरे नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग में आपसे मिलता हूँ। तब तक के लिए नमस्कार। जय भारत, जय उत्तराखंड।